2014 Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi. Well, we got done on it for you guys. Still got the stock converters. Then we true dualed it into his factory mufflers or he had done somewhere else, and tailpipes. And he had a tailpipe that broke, and we put him a sleeve on it to put it back on for him. Why we true dualed it? They had this setup on it, which, you know, restricted the heck out of it. I don't know why they put a Y pipe and then behind the regular factory Y pipe, which was really stupid. So we got them fixed up where it's true dual all the way back now, as you guys can see, into his tailpipes. And it's all a 2 1/4 system, and we put them 2 1/2 instead of the 2 1/4 over there. Let it breathe some more. And you guys will see the link in the description for these mufflers if you guys like the sound of they're FLOWMASTer knockoffs. We'll let you guys hear in a minute. There it is. It's got 3-inch tailpipes, pencil cut tips. Sounds pretty good. No, just never disappoint. Dodge Ram 1500 True Dual with FLOWMASTer knockoffs, off-brand mufflers. Let you guys hear on the inside.